Why bring three chairs when one does the job? My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the Northroad three-seater camping chair. It is seriously a game changer. If you find yourself having to lug around chairs for the entire family, this is going to save you so much effort. It folds out so simply. It comes in a great carrying bag that you can wear just like a backpack. And when you get to your spot, it literally just extends out, so there's no assembly or anything. It feels super sturdy. It holds up to 900 pounds. I personally like to use this as a love seat. I like to put my legs out on my husband, poor guy. And so I find this perfect. It gives us so much space to be able to really relax outdoors. So if you're a sports mom, or you like camping or bonfires, or you just want to keep some seating in your trunk, this is ideal. It's made of really nice durable material, and it has cup holders. It even has a wine glass holder, so that's pretty cool. You will seriously be completely equipped with this high quality chair, and that's my point of view.